In prime time news this evening, Butch Stewart is dead. Hotel mogul passes after battling illness in the United States. Politicians react to Mr. Stewart's passing, as well as players in the tourism industry.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, Janella. Are there any other measures you think the government could undertake to stimulate the economy in the pandemic?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.